In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and join random Instagram groups in 2025. Instagram group chats can be a fantastic way to connect with like-minded people, share ideas, or just have fun conversations. Whether you're looking to network or just want to find a community that shares your interests, joining Instagram groups can be your gateway to new connections. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open Instagram on your device. If you're not logged into your account, make sure to enter your details to access the app. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the home screen. From here, let's navigate to the search function, which you can find conveniently as a magnifying glass icon at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type in the handle join.a-group-chat. This account acts as a hub for various public group chats that you might be interested in joining. Once you've typed it out, hit enter and wait for the search results to load. Next, from the list of search results, find the Join a Group Chat account and select it. This will bring you to the account's profile page where you'll be able to see all the group options available. Take a moment to scroll through the various posts. Each post usually represents a different group that you can join. Once you find a group that piques your interest, it's time to proceed to the next step. On each post, there's usually a beacon link or some form of external link that will direct you to further instructions or a platform where the group is hosted. So keep your eyes peeled and locate this link. When you've identified the beacon link in the post or the group chat you want to join, click on it. This action will redirect you to a new page or platform where you will often find additional details about the group or further instructions on how to join. Finally, look for the option that says Join Group Chat. It's often displayed clearly on the page you're redirected to. Once you've located it, click on this option and voila, you'll be a part of the group. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be able to explore and join various Instagram groups that suit your interests. Make sure to engage with these communities positively and respectfully. It's a great way to make new friends, exchange ideas, and have interesting discussions. Thanks for watching and happy group chatting.